In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Perplexity AI app on Android. We will go from nothing installed all the way to having the app open and ready to use on your phone. First, open the Google Play Store. On most Android phones, you will find the Play Store icon either on your main home screen or inside the app drawer. When you tap it, the Play Store will open and you should see a search bar at the very top, featured apps in the middle, and a bottom navigation bar for things like apps and games. Now tap the search bar at the top. The keyboard will slide up from the bottom of the screen and the search bar will become active with a blinking cursor. This tells you that anything you type next will be used to search the entire Play Store. Next, type Perplexity Ask Anything. Type it carefully, including the word Perplexity at the beginning, so the right app shows up near the top of the results. As you type, you might see suggestions appear beneath the search bar, and Perplexity Ask Anything usually appears there after a few letters. From there, select the app published by Perplexity AI. On the results screen, look for the app whose title mentions Perplexity and whose publisher name is shown directly under it as Perplexity AI. This detail matters because many beginners accidentally tap lookalike apps from other publishers. When you tap the correct result, it will open the app details page, showing the app icon, screenshots, rating, and the install button. Now, tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading the app, and you will see a progress bar or a spinning circle. On a decent internet connection, the download should only take a short time, but the exact duration depends on your speed. While this is happening, you do not need to press anything else, just wait until the install button changes automatically. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. As soon as you do, the Perplexity AI app will launch, and you will see the welcome or home screen rather than the Play Store page. You can also find the app later in your app drawer with the same icon you just saw in the store. At this point, sign in with your Google, Apple, or email account, or continue as a guest if available. On this screen, you will see several sign-in buttons, usually with the Google and Apple logos, along with a simple email option and sometimes a small continue as guest link. Using a Google or Apple account is often fastest, since it uses accounts already saved on your phone. If you choose email, you will type your address and follow the prompts that appear. Continuing as a guest, when that option is shown, usually skips account creation but may limit features or history. You have now downloaded Perplexity AI on your Android phone and reached the main app ready to start asking questions. If this helped you get Perplexity running, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple app guides.